Most creators think that once they unlock YouTube AdSense, they're set for life. But here's the harsh truth. If AdSense is your only income stream, you're sitting on a ticking time bomb. What happens when your CPMs suddenly drop, your video gets demonetized overnight, or your channel is hit with limited ads? One bad month, and your income crashes. That's why the smartest creators don't just have one income stream, they build an entire income stack. Think of it like a safety net. 7 different revenue streams working together to create stable, predictable income no matter what happens with YouTube ads. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 monetization streams that top creators use to bulletproof their businesses. Watch closely, because if you apply even 2 or 3 of these, you'll never have to stress about demonetization again. Let's dive in. First up, affiliate marketing. This is hands down the easiest way to start earning. You're already recommending products you use, so why not get paid for it? Tech creators link to their cameras and microphones. Finance creators partner with fintech apps. Lifestyle creators share their favorite beauty products or home goods. Every sale through your unique link equals money in your pocket. And the best part? Old videos keep paying you long after you've uploaded them. Imagine a video you made 2 years ago suddenly going viral, and your affiliate links are still making you money on autopilot. That's passive income at its finest. Now, if you want something even more powerful, digital products are your next step. Create once, sell forever. Think Notion templates, recipe ebooks, photography presets, or coding starter kits. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy make this insanely easy. No inventory, no shipping, just pure digital sales. Every creator has knowledge or tools they can package up. Why not start today? Third stream, online courses and coaching. This is where the big money starts rolling in. Instead of selling a $10 product, you can charge hundreds for a structured program or one-on-one coaching. Fitness creators sell 30-day workout plans. Finance creators teach beginners how to invest. Gamers coach players to rank higher. And business creators host mastermind groups. One course sale can equal months of ad revenue. This is how creators jump from small side hustle to full-time income. Stream number 4, sponsorships and brand deals. Once you've built an engaged audience, brands will pay to get in front of them. And you don't need 1 million subscribers to start. Micro-influencers with smaller loyal audiences are landing sponsorships in the $100 to $500 range per video. Some creators simply reach out to brands they already use, while others join platforms like #paid or passionfruit to get discovered by companies actively looking to sponsor creators. Think about that, getting paid to make the content you were already going to make. Fifth, memberships and subscriptions. This is about building a reliable income floor. When fans pay you monthly, you suddenly have predictable revenue that doesn't depend on views. YouTube memberships, Patreon, Ko-Fi, Buy Me a Coffee. All of these let you offer exclusive perks like behind-the-scenes videos, early access, or private community chats. Even a small group of superfans paying $5 to $10 each month can cover your bills. Stream 6, physical products and merch. This isn't just about money, it's about identity. When fans wear your t-shirt, drink from your mug, or stick your logo on their laptop, they're declaring, "I'm part of this community." And thanks to print-on-demand services like Printful or Teespring, you don't even need to touch inventory. Create the designs, upload them, and get paid whenever someone orders. Zero risk, all reward. Finally, number 7, licensing your content. This is the stream almost nobody talks about, yet it can be completely passive. That epic drone footage you captured? License it to stock sites like Storyblocks. The original music you made? Upload it to platforms like Artlist. Even viral clips from TikTok or YouTube can be sold to media outlets who want fresh content. Once it's uploaded, it can keep earning royalties for years without you lifting a finger. So let's wrap this up. Relying on AdSense alone is like building a mansion on one weak pillar. It's only a matter of time before it collapses. But when you diversify with affiliate marketing, digital products, courses, sponsorships, memberships, merch, and licensing, you build a bulletproof creator business that can survive any algorithm change, any demonetization, any CPM crash. The real question is, which of these streams are you going to start building first? Because the creators who take action now are the ones who'll still be standing when others burn out. If you want more proven strategies like this, join our community. Check the Telegram and WhatsApp links below, and let's build your income stack together. Want to learn how to stay updated to latest trends as a creator? The video showing on your screen will guide you on that based on top trends for creators. See you in that video.